Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Chet. I believe you are all doing fine, and I believe that things are going on well with every one of you. Alright, so today you will remember that this video we have done introduction concerning this particular structure, as you can see, where we told you how we are going to start this together from beginning to the end. As you can see, we have a ground floor. Can you see we have ground floor plan? We also have a first floor. We also have a let's come up. We have the first floor. We have the second floor. We have the third floor, and we also have the fourth floor, and also the roof, which part of it is carrying a water tank 1, 2, 3. So we are going to start the modeling. Sorry, this GA, which is the general arrangement or structural framing of this particular structure. So as you can see, which I've explained last time, based on British way of counting, this is story 1, 2, 3, 4, and the roof, which is a 5 because of the water tank. Then also, if you are using an American standard, it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now add this one, making a 6. Is okay? But so far so good. Let's just say it's 5. Is okay? We are going to be doing with real 5. The other one is just a place for water tank. That's fine. Let's now proceed. Now, once for us to start, I'm going to do something like this. Since it's not just a story building, okay, it's not just one, it's not just two, so I'm going to copy all. So I'll copy all of this first, then CP, which stands for copy, enter. From this place, for me, I always prefer to put somewhere here. Good. All right, so let's wait for it. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Is it far? I think it's not far. Let me take it, enter. Let me take it up a little. Okay. Alright, that is fine. Now the next thing to do, let me first of all see the alignment, because it's going to help me. There's a XL, enter, then H, enter, horizontal. Let me pick this one as my reference point. Okay, good and fine. Then let's see. I want to say you should follow this video from beginning to the end. Try to watch it, because the one I'm talking about you might know it, but the next one I'm going to talk about you might not know it. So that's why it's very important for you to watch this video from beginning to the end. Even though if you have known it, at least it refresh your brain. Is okay? So that's fine. Now looking at this, let's see. You can now see that taking this one as my reference point, at this point here, you see it's passing through the center. Is okay? And I want them to be on the same line, because look at the reference point here at this edge. Can you see? Come to this place. Can you see? Can you see where it's passing through? Can you see? Can you see it now? Can you see this one also? Let's see. Can you see this one also? etc, and this one. Is okay? So what I will now do now is that I will copy this one like this. I'll copy this one from here like this. Sorry, select all, then click on M, which stands for move, enter. I'll now come to this edge. Sorry, I suppose. Okay, I'll do that one later. No, sorry. Let me take it back. Okay, then deselect this one. That's fine. Then I will now click on M, which is stand for move, enter. I will now locate that place. Okay, can you see it here? This is the line, this is the line. Can you see the line? This is the line, this is the line. So I'll come to this place now. From here, I'm bringing it down to this place, to the line. So can you see? Can you see now? So if I click on this line now, they are all on the same what? On the same line. Can you see? On the same line. So that is going to help us a lot. Is that okay? So that is that. So let me remove this. Let me remove this. Okay, that's that. So I haven't established that. That's the first thing. If they are up to 20, is that okay? 20, the same thing I'm going to do. Align them first, so that when I start my GA, at least to some extent, it's going to help me to know what to do at any point where there might be confusion. Is okay? So that is that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to delete all of this. Delete all of this and the dimension. And let me say right click and select similar. Okay, all selected. Because I'm having this one here, I have to deselect this one. Is okay? Deselect this one. Is okay? So we have this one now. So I'll now click on what? On delete, erase, or E, whichever one. I can now see what I'm having. Oh, sorry, this one's supposed to be deleted too. Okay, let me select similar. Select similar. Okay, come to this place, deselect these ones, and then also press delete. Okay, that is fine. We still have some. We still have some here. Click on this, right click, select similar. Okay, let me look up. Then I have this one here. Deselect this and click on what? Delete on my keyboard. Okay, Now, good or fine, I don't know why architect did put something like this at this point, but all of this we are going to find a way around it. Is okay. So that is that. Now, having discussed with the architect, you can see he has already put some columns in some places, but for this aspect, based on what we have discussed, we are going to leave this place as it is. Is that okay? It's car park, so we are going to leave it as it is. Is that okay? Let's get dimension. Let's get dimension of this place from here to this place. Is a what? Okay, 300 is square. Is 300. Okay, so we are going to work on this particular place first. Is okay? So, but before we proceed, let me see. Let me remove this. Okay, I have to know the thickness of my wall. So thickness of my wall, come to this place, take this and let me check it. Okay, 225. Okay, so I'll press L, enter this place. Okay, that is fine, and then enter from here to this place is what? The same thing. Okay, let me do it again. Let me have the accurate result. Okay, to this point. Fine, good. I'll now press my construction line, XL, enter, then V, enter, we stand for vertical, then look for the center, midpoint. Okay, this is my midpoint, click on it, escape, then XL again, enter, horizontal, enter, come to this place again. Okay, that's fine. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I can now remove this one now, remove this. Okay, I haven't done that, I have to change the color of this. Okay, to differentiate it, I'll change the color, come to this place, let me choose this one. Is it okay? Is it okay for me? Yeah, it's okay. Now let me make it deeper. Okay, let me choose another one. Okay, I think this one's better. Now, having done this one like this, I'm going to start picking my construction line CP. Is that okay? Begin to position them the way I feel they should be for now. Bring it here, and also at this point here, looking at this one look like a 6 inches. Is that okay? 6 inches, but notwithstanding, let me do something. Let me put it here again. Click on this, move it. Is that okay? Move it from here, come to the center. Correct. Okay, I have that one there. Come to this place, CP, enter, then come to this place. Let me pick it again. Let me put it on this one. This one's also 60 inches. Is that okay? 6 inches. Let me come to this place also. Let me look at this. Let me come to this one here. This junction here. This is center. Also, come to this place also. This is the center. Okay, which other place again do we need there? Okay, come to this place also. This is the center. And also we have this one like this one, and this one also comes this way, also work for this one. What about this one? Yes, also work for this. Then what about this side? Work for this. Okay, which other one again? Okay, I'm not going to use this place because I already know what I'm going to do. Is that okay? So that is that. Then my horizontal line, click on this one, CP, enter. I'm going to copy from here. Then let me start from here, this point junction here. Okay, that is that. And also from this point here, what's happening here? Where is the wall? Where is it? Is it this one? No. Let me remove it. That's one thing with architects. The way they design, they draw, not design, the way they draw their plan. You see, okay, this is 150. Okay, 150. Let me put it. Let me make it like this. Do it this way. Okay, because I'm not going to use a 150. Is that okay? I'm going to use the 225. Is that okay? So let me put at the center of this. Let me put this one here. CP. Enter. Then from the center of this point here, I'll come to this place and put it here. Okay, where is it? Okay, all right, then click on this, remove it. Is that okay? So that is fine. Then I'll also come to this place also. Let me, during your GA, don't rush too much. Is that okay? Take your time to study it. Is that okay? Take your time. It's very, very important to study it, the plan, and see what you can achieve. Is that okay? That is that. So also this point here, can you see this column? Based on our discussion, is going to be left like this. Is that okay? So first of all, let me put it like this and then move it. Enter from this point to the center. Okay, that's fine. So that is that. Next one again is let me check the dimension from here. L. I want to take this one from here. Okay, that is fine. Then XL, enter. Then H, enter. I want the center. Okay, then click on this one and also this one. Okay, that is that. Let me remove this to give me the center of this wall. Is that okay? Then having done that, what's the next thing? Okay, let me take this one, CP. From this point, I come to this point here. Okay, sorry. Let me take it from this place. Okay, CP, enter. From this point, I also come to this place and put it here. Okay, where do we have it again? Where do we need this one again? Let me say we need it here also. We also need it somewhere here also. we also need it somewhere here also, and somewhere here also. Am I correct? This one is a 300. Don't forget, remember this is 300. So let me just put it somewhere here. I'll move it again. Okay, let me click on this, then enter, move it. I'm trying to put at the center. Okay, this is center. Okay, so click on this one again from here, press CP, then from the center I'll pick from the center here and put at the center here. Can you see the center? Also come to this place, center. Also come to this place, center. Okay, all right, that is that. Okay, based on our agreement, this is what he said, so this is what we are having. Then having done all of this, let's check it again. Let's go through it. Okay, I have this one here based on vertical axis. We have this one here, 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 we have which one? Okay, this one is for this. Okay, and this one also for this. What about horizontal? This one here, and we also have this one here, this one for this, this one for this, this one is for this. Okay, and this one is for this. Do you have anyone here? Okay, yes, we have another one for this, and we also have this one for this, we have this one for this, we have this one for this, and we have this one for this, and lastly this one. We are fine. Now, having done all of this, the next thing I'm going to do, some of these columns will definitely go, because we have discovered that we need to try to hide the column inside the wall. Is that okay? And looking at this 300 by 300 is projecting. Can you see this place? Is that okay? Can you see this place? Is that okay? So we want to see how we can hide them hide all of them in the wall. So the size of column I'm going to be using, looking at the number of stories, 1 2 3 4 5, then plus this one, that's approximately just 6. So now I'm going to be using this let me pick my rectangle, then 450 comma 225, that's the size. Okay, enter. So can you see it now? So I'll pick this one, then first of all let me pick it from here, then enter. I'll come to this place, I put at this edge here. Okay, that's perfect. So I'll come to this place, then change the color, that will be visible, then also change the thickness so that it will be visible. I'll come up, zoom, and then bring it to this place. Can you see it now? This is my column now. Is that okay? Then I'll take this one again, then CP, enter. At every point that's based on this one here, it's not everywhere you can just put like that. So based on this one also, this one here, and this one also. I'm coming. Okay, this one, let me leave this one, let me leave this one, let me also leave this one, let me come to this other side. Okay, this one also, then which one again? Okay, this one also, perfect. And also this one, this edge, let's finish with this edge. Okay, and this one also. Okay, sorry, we agreed that we are going to leave this one based on my architect and I. Let me remove this for our discussion. Okay, based on what he wants, based on his design, sorry, his drawings, we are going to leave this one. Okay, let's proceed with this one. Let me also say CP, enter. I'm going to pick it from this edge here. Let me come to this place and put it on this edge here. Okay, then this one also, let me see, because I'm going to do the direction of some from here also to this place here. Perfect. Okay, is that okay? You don't need to rush this kind of thing. Is that okay? You don't need to rush at all. You don't need to rush. Take this one, then CP, enter, come to this place, put it here, and then pick it, select it first, select it, CP, enter, then from this edge is center, copy it, then begin to put at the center of this. Is that okay? Can you see it now what I'm doing? So at the center of this, okay, and also at the center of this. Okay, this one is going to be at the center based on this. No, it's not going to be at the center. So let me also proceed. Okay, this one can also be at the center. Yes. Okay, let's proceed, and this one also, I'm coming, this one. Okay, this one also, let me see. Okay, for now let's put it here. Okay, all right, we put it there. Then let's come to this place. This one also can be here, then this one also can be here. This one have been changed and we are leaving this one like this. Is that okay? So I'm going to take, let's finish with this, all these places first before we come to this other side. Is that okay? So that is that. So I also come to this place, I'll come to this place. Okay, I haven't positioned this one, then I'm going to change the orientation. Okay, I'm going to change the orientation, or I just pick this one already. Okay, let me take this one, and then RO, enter. Then at this one on my this. Okay, then take this one now, CP, enter. I'm going to pick it from here. Is it from there? Okay. No, I'm coming. Let me move it closer. Enter. Okay, Okay. Let me see. As I said, we work together. Is that okay? So as you can see what we are doing. Okay, I'm bringing it here. This one here, let me take it here. Then CP, enter. This one is going to be at the center. Okay, come to this place, put this one here. All right. Okay, I haven't done that. This place also, I don't want this. I don't want this one here. I'll put it here like this. Is that okay? So also this place, also this one, I'm going to change the orientation. Is that okay? Orientation, that's a RO. Okay, then this one like this. Okay, pick this one, CP, enter. Okay, from the edge, I'm putting from the edge. Can you see it now? Okay, then also this place, I can already put one here. Okay, what is again inside here? Let's see. Okay, now looking at this place also, CP, then come to this place and put at this edge here. Okay, if I put there, this one, I don't want this one here. I'm coming. Okay, yes, I need one here. CP, don't worry, we are going to do some adjustments. I'll put it on this place. Okay, sorry, let me off this. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, that's fine. Then this one, adjust this one, enter from this edge to the edge here. Okay, can you see it now? Is that okay? That is that. And this one here, then this one, I don't need this one here. I'll remove this one. Is that okay? Since I have this one here, is that okay? So if I have this beam, this one will come and rest on this. Is that okay? So that is that. Now let me delete this one. I don't need this one. I don't need this one. You can see the kind of design way the architects are giving. So at times we have to be careful. You mustn't rush. Is that okay? You must not rush. So, but what I need is the position of my column. So that is that. And let's proceed. Let us proceed. This one also, I don't think I need this one. I don't need this one. Is that okay? Because if I look at the dimension, from the center of this place to this place here, what am I having? Excuse me. What am I having here? 5,000 and 5,000 plus. It's okay, which is okay. I don't need this one here. I'll remove it. Okay, I'll remove this one. My beam will run through this place. Is okay? And why this one will come to rest on it? Is okay? That is that, because I'm going to break this. Is okay? I'm going to break this. Looking at this, I'm going to break it. So that's fine. So come to this place. Also remove this one. Also, I don't need this one. Then pick this one. CP. Come to this place. That is that. Okay. And now what I'm trying to do is that if you look at this place, I want to make this place a panel. Can you see it now? A panel. And from this place also, now if I look at this place, if I take my measurement, discover that this place, if I also up this place, is going to be what, less than 30 square meters, which is okay, which means I can remove this column and put it here, good and fine. But don't also forget this place. So what I'm trying to do is that I'll use this place. So this one will be one panel, and the whole of this place will be what, another panel, which means this one will go. Do you get what I'm saying now? So I'll now have my beam run this place like this, and this one also come like this, and I have this place what as another panel. So is that okay? So that is that. Okay, haven't explained that, so let's proceed. Okay, this one I'm going to change it. Is that okay? I'm going to change this one. Let me play with that. Let me do that now. That's a 300, 300. Enter. Okay, take the properties of this and then match it with this one. Okay, then select it, CP, enter from this point here. Okay, let me just do something. Let me remove this. Okay, all right, CP, enter from this point. I put it to this point. Is that okay? Can you see it? Okay, let me remove all of this. So then take it again, come to this place also. This place, I don't need this. Is that okay? So I come to this one, CP, enter. Then from this edge, I want to put it to this edge here. Can you see it now? So is that okay? So this one, I'll come to this place and proceed. Is that okay? And I have this one perfect. And let me also see where I don't need that one. So I don't need this one here. I remove this one. So that is that. And then coming to this place also, I don't need this one. Okay, I don't need that one. And this one also, I don't need this one here. I don't need this one. Okay, so which other one again? Let's see. Let me delete this. Okay, then this one inside here, I don't need this one. Okay, I don't need that one. We have discussed, so we have agreed on this. So that is that. It's very important you discuss with your architect. If you have any observation, is that okay? Remove this, then EX, enter. Let me just take this one here. Okay, that is that. Then come to this place also. I don't need this one here. Then I have this one at this edge. So what is happening is that now I'm going to, if I have this beam here, if I have a beam here, if I have a beam here and this one comes to this place, this is already a panel for what, for the staircase, which is the void. Then from this point like this will be one panel. Use it now. Then if from this place like this is a panel, automatically this place for what? For the staircase. Can you see it now? So it's for staircase. Now that is that. And then for this place also, if I have it here, this one can come here, and I have the whole of this place as what? Another panel. This one will now go. Is that okay? Why I have this one also here? Is that okay? So if I come to this place again, if I have this one like this, come this way, is that okay? Then what happened to this place? You can see based on the architect, it's saying it's what? 51. Is that okay? Square meter. Is that okay? So looking at this, if I measure it, if I should measure it, let me see, from this point to this point here. Okay, what are we having? Let's see, what are we having? You can see 7.007. Is that okay? Millimeters. So that is quite much. And if now check it to this other way around, to the other side, from this point also to this point here, what are we having? So what are we having? Can you see it here? Can you see 6 point something? This is 6.572. Is that okay? So that is quite much. So that is that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to break this. If I have this one like this, is that okay? I'm going to have this one like this. So this one will be one panel and this one will be one panel. The only thing is that this particular beam here might not carry load, though depends on what I'm going to see at the other end. Is that okay? When I get to this particular place, is that okay? So that's fine. So let's see, let's proceed. If I have this one, okay, look at my hand, you look at my cursor, 1, then let me say I use this place 2, and I use this place 3, and this place like this up to this place 4, and this one, okay, and this one also like this, and this one also like this, another one, then the whole of this place like this, okay, and this was already a void, and this one, okay, that's fine. And then let's also proceed and see all these ones are already there, so we don't have touching them. The only thing is that I will now change the column. Is that okay? I'll remove it. Is that okay? I'll remove them. Is that okay? Bring my own 300 by 300 column, which is this one. Is that okay? CP. Then from this point I pick this one, excuse me, I'll come to this place, then at the center put it here, and also put it here. So I'll proceed. Now let me now remove everything here. I remove this one. Okay, I remove this one also. Come to this place, remove this. Okay, it's possible. Okay, that's good. So then come to this place, sorry. Come to this place. Okay, remove this. Also come to this place, remove this. If you be confused, it's better you did one after the other. Is that okay? So, but for me, I think I know where I deleted, so I'll just come to this place. Now put it here. Is that okay? And also this point here. And we also have one at this point here. Is that okay? Let me check. Am I correct? It's not properly placed. Is that okay? Let me remove it. Let me remove it. Let me remove it. So I click on this one again. Let me pick this one. Then CP, enter. Then come to this point here. Pick it and put it here. Okay. Okay. That means it needs adjustment. I only come to this place. Then press M, enter. Then you can see what we are doing. It's very important to take your time to do your GA. Very, very important. Is that okay? Then come to this place also. Remove this one. And also take this one here. Then CP, enter. Then from this, I'll just take it from this point to this point here. Okay, that is that. And let me just finish. I'll go back to that place. Okay, so we are also having something here. We're having one here. Then I also come to this place. Let me pick from here. Take your time to study and also do your GA. Is that okay? It's very, very important. So that is that. Okay, this whole place is for car park, which means that under there will be no wall. Is that okay? There is not going to be any wall around this place. Is that okay? So that is that. So let me also move this one. Let me see. Can I delete this one? Okay, no. Let me pick this one or this. Okay. All right. Let me remove these ones. Okay. Come to this point here. Then CP, enter. Come to this point here. Then pick it and put it here, somewhere here. Okay. And also somewhere here. Okay, this one I will adjust it. Is that okay? I will adjust this one. CP, oh sorry, M, enter. Come to this point here. This point here, put it here. That's okay. Now come to this place also. CP, enter, and also come to this place. Then move it and put it here. Then from there, let me remove this one also. Let me remove this. Can you see? So we are starting the work together now, which we are going to give to the client. Which means if we finish this one together, automatically you have also designed 5-story or 6-story building for a client. Is that okay? All right, so I'll press my M, enter. So this one and to this point we are fine. Okay, let's see this. So you take your time to do all of this. You can see what we are doing. We are still positioning our column. Is that okay? We have not started paneling CP, but visually I'm already paneling it. Is that okay? I'm already paneling it. So for me, I'm already doing my paneling. Enter. Is that okay? So I've started using my eye gauge for now to do my paneling automatically. Okay, so come to this place, click on this, remove this, and also take this one, CP, enter, and come to this place. Most of the time edge, I'll come to this place, I put this at this edge, and also go up this point here. Then okay, let me pick this one also, CP, enter, then come to this one here, pick from this edge, this is on the same line, put at this edge. Okay, come to this place. I don't need this, I'll just remove this. Is that okay? I don't need that. So also come to this place. I don't need this one also. Okay, I also remove that. At this point, I don't need this, also remove this. And finally on this side, I don't need this, I remove this. Is that okay? So let's see. Okay, we are having some here. We don't need this one, If there's need for us to change the column orientation, we will definitely do that. So this one I don't need it. Is that okay? I don't need it. Is that okay? So that's fine. Which other places we will need to do some adjustment. So let's see. Okay, I think everything seems to be okay for now. So what we are left with is to begin to see if what we have done are okay, if there's any adjustment. Let's now check it. Is that okay? Let's check it. This is automatically 23. Is that okay? Let me just do one. Let's do one together. Is that okay? Now I want to do the paneling now. From here to this point here, what are we having? We are having what? 3.6. Is that okay? 3.6 is what we are having. Enter again. Sorry. Then enter again. 3.6. Let me take this. From here, from this point, I take it down to this place to do what? This one here. And what are we having from this point here? You can see 6.9. Is that okay? 6.9. You see now 6.9. That's quite the length. Understand? So I'm going to break this. Is that okay? This 6.9. I'm going to break it. Is that with the column? So I'm going to have this CP, enter. Then from the center here, along this column, so this wall and this column, I'll just come to this place to break it into two, then put it here preferably. Can you see it now? Is that okay? So what we are having is a 3 point what? Let's take it again. 3.6. Okay, 3.6 by 3.9. 6.9 rather. Let me take it again. Let's see. Okay, 6.97. 6.97. Let me pick our calculator. Okay, 6.97 multiplied by 3.6, we have what? 25 square meter. Is that okay? And this one is saying 23. Can you see it now? So we cannot focus on this. So this is this place is less than what? 30 square meter. So automatically this one becomes what? My panel. Is that okay? This one automatically becomes my panel. So I remove this. Is that okay? Or I can leave the text. Is that okay? I can leave the text and leave this one if I want, so it doesn't delay me for anything at all. So that is that. Then this place now, I can now remove this. Sorry, I can say, let me see, if I make this one a panel, this one is already a panel, and I bring this one here. If I bring this one here and looking at this one, understand? So this one is here, then this one is coming to rest on this, which automatically make this one a panel. Is that okay? And if you look at this one now, preferably let's see so that you understand what I'm saying. So from this point, let me put center here. Then L, enter. Is that okay? Let's do it so that you see what I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, then XL, enter. Then B, enter. So let me see the midpoint. Okay, this is my midpoint. Then let me now take my dimension from this point here, from this point to this point. What are we having? Can you see? 5.6. Is that okay? The span is still okay. 5.6. Is that okay? If that is 5.6, what about this side here? To see if we can make it a panel. 5.6 from this point here to this point here. What are we having? 3.34. Can you see? 3.34. If you multiply it, yet it's not up to 30 square meter. Is that okay? But if you do that, if we now do that, then don't forget that definitely around this place we are going to have what? A beam. Is that okay? We are going to have a beam, which automatically I'm going to move this column to this place. Is that okay? Have a copy of the column. Move this column rather. Move this particular column to this place. Is that okay? And this column definitely is going to be here. Is that okay? You can also see that they are very close. Is that okay? To avoid that closeness, that's why I splitted it. Is that okay? That's why I decided to use this one like this, and also this one and like this. Is that okay? So that is that. So I haven't explained this one now. So what I will now do is that let me just take this one, and this one, then CP, enter. Then I will take it from this center here, from this place here to this place here. Can you see what I'm having now? Can you see now? Automatically this one now it goes. Is that okay? I don't need this one again. Is that okay? What's this? What's this one? Let me remove this. Is okay? I don't need this one again. Is that okay? Can you see it now? So this one becomes my panel. Can you see what I'm trying to explain to you? Is that okay? This one becomes my panel. Then I haven't explained that. What about this other side too? The same thing applicable to that side. Is that okay? I pick this one and this one. CP, enter. You see, sometimes when the architect do their magic of drawing, if care is not taken, you will be confused or you might make a mistake. So let me use that word. You might make a mistake, not really confused. So that is that. So let me see this one. Then the CP, enter. Let me pick it from this side. Pick it from this side. Okay, since it's lapping, let me see this one. Let's see. Okay, I'm in line. Okay, that's fine. So I'll click on this one, EX, extend, then come to this place, click on this, and also click on this. Can you see? Understand? So this one becomes my panel now. Can you see? This is another panel that I'm having. Understand? So I'm going to join this one. Let me extend this EX, enter. Then let me extend this one to this, and also this one to this. Is that okay? So I'll now do something, then remove this, then remove this one. Is that okay? Then TR trim this one off, and this one off, and this one, and this one. Is that okay? So that is that. Or no, sorry, I'm going to have this place blocked to show the sign that this one is coming to rest. Is that okay? Or let me extend it. EX, enter. Let me extend this. Okay, that's fine. So this one now is coming straight, while this one is coming to rest on it. I think this is the best way to present it. Is that okay? So that is that. So I can now decide to do what? To remove this at this point. Sorry, at this point I can remove this. Can you see it now? So we are coming up with what? With our paneling. So that is that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is this place here. Is that okay? Then I'll pick this one from here. Let me use this one. Is that okay? CP, enter. I'll pick from this point. From this point here, I'll take it to this point here. Good. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay, it's okay. That's okay. So all I will now need to do is to extend it to this, then press this one, then EX, enter, then come to this place, select this, and also this one. Can you see it now? So this one now automatically becomes what? Another panel. This is a panel, and this one is also what? Another panel, because I've used this one to break it. Is that okay? So if you now have this one divided by 2, if actually what we are having here is what is 51, automatically by the time you divide 51 by 2, it will give us 25.5. Is it? Am I correct? Yes. So that is that. So anyhow, this place as I'm breaking it to 2 is very okay. Or if not, let's take it. Let's do it. Let's quickly confirm something so that we not work on assumption. Okay, this one here, and what is it? What are we having? 7. Okay, we have said that before. Let's just 7. Come to this place here, from this point here to this point here. Okay, what are we having? Here? Okay, 3.3. So let's take our calculator. 7.007 multiplied by 3.3, 21 or 22 plus. Okay, 23 plus. Can you see now? So it's less than 30 square meter. Is that okay? It's less than 30 square meter. So I can now leave it. Is that okay? I can now leave this. Is that okay? I can leave this one as a panel, and this one also as my panel. I don't need to break this one also. I don't need it. Is that okay? All right. So having not done this one also, I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, if you look at this, okay, are they in line? No. Let me remove this and this one. Okay, because they have to be aligned. Is that okay? So let's take this one. Let's take this one also off, and let me remove this one off. Okay, so what I will now do is to extend this. Let me extend this one. This one here. I'm coming. Okay, this is 225. Okay. Let me just see how I can extend this one. During my modeling, definitely it will go. Let me see. Extend EX. Sorry. Click on this EX. Let's see if it will go. This one here. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. All right. So that is that. Now I have to extend it up to this place also. To come to this place, EX. Enter. Also from this point here. Okay, and also this one also. Is that okay? So this is another panel, and also I come to this place. Automatically, this one is a panel for me. So let me just delete. Let me just delete this. Okay, so I click on this and then EX, enter, which stand for my panel. Is that okay? To block it. Is that okay? So that is that. And coming to this place now, you can see how we are coming out with what, with our panels. Is that okay? So that is that. Let's take this dimension. Let's take this dimension and see from this point here. Let me take it to this point here. Okay, this is a toilet wall, so I don't have any problem with that. So we are going to load the such that to take care of that. So this 6.37, 6.37, 6.37. Let's take this one also, 6.37, 6.37 by 6.37 by this 6.37, 6.37 by 3.65. Is that okay? 6.37. Let's take our calculator. Let's come up. 6.37. Come on. 6.37 multiplied by 3.657. So equals to this. You see 23 also. 23 is still less than what, 30 square meter. Is that okay? So which means that I'm good to go. Is that okay? What I'm going to do now, I'm going to extend this. Let me remove this one. Then click on this one, extend, then take it from here, and then click on this one, then come to this one. Mr. Man, you are going. Is that okay? So I click on this, select this one and this one. Is that okay? It's good. This slab is going to be loaded such that it's able to carry that wall. Is that okay? That wall. That's if you have that wall on the first floor. If not, we are good to go. Is that okay? Because what we are doing here is all this thing you are seeing, they are on the ground floor. It's not the one we are going to use for our slab. For this slab at the top of this place is this one we are going to use to load the slab here. Is that okay? But what we are having here, they are already on our oversight concrete. Is that okay? We used to call it the German floor, that some people call it, or whatever. Is that okay? So this one is directly on the ground. Is that okay? Why this one is going to be sitting on top of this? So in loading of this one, I'm going to make use of what, of this. Is that okay? And in loading of this one, I'm going to make use of this. I think we have done video on how to go about that, so you can go to our YouTube channel and watch that particular video. Is that okay? So that is that. Now, having done this one like this, okay, you can see how we have successfully positioned our columns. Is that okay? Everything is set. Everything is set. You can see. Now use your eye gauge. Okay, see this one like this one panel. Okay, let's do it together. Let's quickly do it together. Okay, let me finish this. Okay, let's finish this. Okay, looking at this place also, if this place is less than 30 square meter automatically, so that's why I don't bother myself about this. Is that okay? I don't really bother myself. I'm going to leave this one. Why? Because it's going to help me understand as time goes on, because some of these structures are not typical, and if you notice something, you discover that as I make sure that they have the same reference level. Is that okay? I've taken them as my reference point. You can now see that my line is passed through some places. Can you see some places among them? Can you see it's passing through some places? Can you see it's passing through some places which I've already put, which is going to help me a lot in the course of this GA. Is that okay? By the time I superimpose, I'll be able to know what and at what point. So that is that. Now let me finish this. Okay, let me finish this one up. I'm going to remove this. Is that okay? Remove this one. Okay, remove this, and automatically this one from this place to this place, I'm going to have a let me do something here. Okay, let me select this, then EX, enter. Let me zoom this if it will go down. Okay, perfect. Then this one also. Okay, can you see it? All right, this one automatically is there's a shear wall here. Is that okay? There's a lift. This is a lift area. So this wall here is going to carry the slab. Is that okay? So we are going to go about that. So that's that. Okay. Let's see. These are the major places. Which other place do we need? Okay, I think that is all. I don't know what this one is doing here. So please, let's remove this. Let's remove these ones. I don't know what it's doing here. Let me remove this. Or let me select similar if it will not affect what I have done. Let me see. Can you see? Okay, let me unselect. Okay, yes. Let me reselect. Okay, let's now see. Let's see. You see, it's selecting things that are not okay. Let me see if I press delete. Okay, it's fine. It's okay. I think it's okay. Okay, something has happened. Let me see. Undo. Okay, let's go back. Okay, it's still okay. Let me redo. Let me remove it. Let me say undo. Okay, all right, let's just do it again. I think it's okay. Select similar. Okay, then delete. Let me see my original document. Okay, and let me remove this. Okay, it's very important. All right, let's check. Okay, I can now delete. Good and fine. So having done this one now like this, I'm now going to superimpose. Is that okay? I'm going to be superimposing, and let's see what we are having. Is that okay? So I'll click on this one, select, right click and select similar. Can you see all have been selected? So let me see, is there anyone selected here? I might have the same property. Okay, none. Okay, so I can now come to this place, none of them. Okay, then CP, CP or CO, then enter. So the most accurate, or the where you can copy your column when you want to superimpose, either you use the staircase or where there's lift, because they must be typical. Is that okay? Your lift must be typical. So I will now come to this place and then click it, then go to my story and begin to insert. Is that okay? And begin to insert it, put it here. Is that okay? Insert it there, and also come to this place, insert it. Is that okay? And also come to this place, insert it, and also come to this place point here. Can you see? We don't have anything here, but this lift is what is still available for us. So that is that. Can you see? I've superimposed all of them on this. Is that okay? I've superimposed all of this on this. So I haven't seen it like this, so we are going to be making adjustments. So if we get to Protastructure, this is what we are going to be using in Protastructure. Is that okay? That's fine. Now when we now get to this story, we are going to make the adjustment based on this, and when we are done, we now see it. If it's typical with this one, they will make the same adjustment and we'll proceed. Is that okay? So but if you look at this, if you look at what we are having so far, let's see. Okay, this one, they are okay, this one and this one, everything is okay. So this point now, can you see this point now? Can you see the kind of column we are having? Let me go and check. Okay, so since it's like this, that means there's possibility for us to change the orientation of this. Can you see now? We can change the orientation of this to different orientation. Is that okay? That is one of the first observation. Is that okay? First observation. And also if you look at this one also, if you look at this column, if you look at this column here, which is along this line, is that okay? Come to this place, you can see it now, which means we can also change the orientation of this column here. Can you see it now? Which is this one? Which is this one? We can change this orientation of this column. Can you see? So these are the reasons why what I said we have to have our reference point. Is that okay? Which will help us to align some of this column and help us to do a good job. Is that okay? So that is that. So let's see. And let me say at this point that in case if you're enjoying what we have been doing, trying to show you, see, I'm taking my time to explain it. Is that okay? That's why it's somehow like this. Is that okay? So now if you are enjoying what we are doing, I want to say you should give this video a thumbs up. At the same time, if this is your first time, try to subscribe to Ekidel channel, so that all our subsequent videos you can have access to those videos, and all the videos we have done, you can also be free to do what, to watch all those videos. Is that okay? So that is that. Now if you now look at this, it tells us that at this story one, can you see at this story one, first floor, is that okay? This is first floor. You can see that at this point it tells us that this column cannot go up. I get now, this column will not go up. We have to look for a way of taking this column from this point to this point here. Do you see it now? And also if you look at this one also, this one can go up. Is that okay? It can still go up because it's hidden. Is that okay? But we can't leave it like this. You can do adjustment and bring this column to this place here. Is that okay? So let's see along this line. Let's see if it goes up. Okay, it's still okay. It's still okay. Okay, at this point it's still okay. Can you see? And at this point it's perfectly okay. Can you see it now? So we can decide to leave it and now make this one to have what, in form of a cantilever. So now make this extension here cantilever. Is that okay? Cantilever. And this one we have this, take this column and bring it here, and now have this beam, so that this beam we have a support here and also have a support here on this cantilever beam that is going to come out here. Do you see now? So we have different options. Is that okay? So that is that. Okay, so that is that. And on this edge you don't have any problem. What we need to do is to change the orientation. So let's quickly do that. Let me quickly do that. Which one now? Let's see. Let me do this one first. This one, and this is this one. Okay, I'll change this orientation. So I'll come to this place, select this one, then RO, which is for rotation. Okay, I'll change this. Okay, perfect. Then take this one like this. Sorry, undo. Okay, undo. Okay, yes, the RO, enter. Then from this point here, let me change the orientation. Okay, good and fine. Then take this one like this, then CP, no, M, enter. Then from this point here I bring it to this point here. Perfect. Can you see it now? So that is that. I've adjusted this one now. This one I've been adjusted. Is that okay? I've repositioned this one L. I've repositioned this one here. This particular one, I've repositioned it. Okay, so let's also come to this point here. Can you see this one also? Can you see this one? Let's go and see if it can be repositioned. Is that okay? Along this one, this first one here, along this line. Okay, which is this one. We cannot reposition it. We have to leave it, because if you are to reposition it, it's going to interfere with what, with this kitchen stuff. Is that okay? It's going to interfere with this. It's going to interfere with this. Is that okay? Even though at this point it's also interfering with this staff changing room, but it's okay, because if you have to use 330 by 300 by 300, it will see what affect. But don't forget at this point here, we are not going to use this one. We are going to use this place. Is that okay? We are going to use this place. Is that okay? So in that case, is that okay? In that case, we can now, at this point now, we can change the orientation of this. Is that okay? Because you can see I'm taking time to explain. Now this one here, where is it? Okay, come in. Okay, we only use this place to span. We only use this one to span it. Is that okay? Because of the distance. Understand? So this one will come. We can use this one and this one. Is that okay? Which we are going to change the orientation of this. This one will stop here and maybe have a little cantilever, a small cantilever here, and proceed. So that is that. So let's see which other one again that we need to change the orientation as we put. Okay, all these ones, they are not. It's not a problem. Is that okay? These ones, they are not a problem. Okay. All right. Okay, so when we get to Protastructure, we are going to be doing some adjustment based on this. Is that okay? So we do it one after the other. When we come to this place, we adjust this one to this side. Is that okay? So, and also this one to this side, and then proceed. Is that okay? That is fine. So now for us to do that, now at this point now, haven't done this one like this. Is that okay? Let me do something. Since I've readjusted this one, CP. No, sorry. No. Let me select this one, right click, select similar, then deselect this one, select this one. I want to deselect it because of that changes. Is that okay? I want to deselect this one, then press my delete. Is that okay? Press my delete button, press my delete button. Okay, that is that. So I can now deselect it again and then put it back. Is that okay? Because of that orientation I've changed, right click and select what? And select similar. Okay, haven't done that. Okay, I will now come to this place. CP, enter. Let's come up. Okay, CP or CO, enter. From this staircase, do the same thing, and let's see if that orientation we have changed works. Okay, let's see. That's worked. Can you see it here? Can you now see it? Can you now see it here? Can you see it now? That's worked. So it's worked perfectly well. So come to this place also. Now superimpose this. Also come to this place. Superimpose this. Is that okay? So also come to this place, superimpose this. Sorry, am I correct? Okay, it's not properly superimposed. I'm coming. Let me do this one. This one is okay. Okay, these ones are okay. But this one, I need to do something here. You see, I need to do something here. Not properly superimposed. So select similar. Okay, let me deselect this. Let me deselect this one because I want to adjust this one. Is that okay? Then click on coming. Let me see. Okay, then click on this and then press my delete. Is that okay? So I will now deselect this one. I'll now deselect this one. This is the same thing, right click and select similar. Is that okay? Select similar, then copy. Copy, CP, enter. Then from this point here, I come to this place and put it properly. Is that okay? Let me see. Okay, good and fine. Perfect. So this is what we are having. So thank you very much. So in the next class now, we are going to start and take this one. Is that okay? Let me just save this one. Let's take this one as our, let's take this one to, let's save it as DXF. Is that okay? Let's save it as what? As a DXF. Once we save it as DXF, then by the time we get to Protastructure, you see how we can be making some adjustments on this one. Is that okay? Each of them. Is that okay? So that is that. So let me quickly do that. I'll come to this place, pick this one, my rectangle, and also let me pick it from here. Okay, to this point here. Okay. All right, then press click on this one, TR, which is for what? For trim. Then come to this place. Okay, come to this place, trim this one off. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me just say trim off first. Let me trim off first. Okay, let me select this. Okay, TR, enter. So let's do this one. Let's come to this place like this, and also this one here, escape. Then click on this. Okay, then I have to name my property. Okay, layer. So I have to work on layer. So let's wait for it. So it has come up. So I come to this place and click. Okay, once I click, you can see this one. I make it what? AG. That's AG, additional AG. Then click on this. Set as current. Click on this one again. I have this one here. I make it what? AC. Is okay? AC. Then click on this as set current, and then click on what? On close. Is okay? I'll come to this place now. Select this one, and also select this ones. Is okay? And then come to this place and look for AG. Where's my AG? AG. Okay, this AG, can you see? Click on it. Is okay. Automatically they are AGs. So I also come to this place now. Click on this one, right click and select similar, and then come to this place and make it what? AC. Is that okay? Here's my AC. Can you see AC? Because I'm going to make use of them when I get to Protastructure. Is that okay? So that is that. Is that okay? Let's see. Okay, all selected. Is that okay? So that is fine. So at this point now, I'll now save it. Is that okay? Save it. Click on it and then W, then enter. So let's wait for it to come up. Okay, at this point, I'll now click on this. Is that okay? Click on this one, then save in what? I want to save it in my what? New folder. Is that okay? I'll save it what? In new folder. Then this place I'll save it as what? Adeshola. Is that okay? Street. That's Adeshola. Then street. Sorry, Adeshola street. Is that okay? Then DXF. Is that okay? Where's my DXF? Okay, Adeshola street. Okay, DXF. Then okay, it's okay. All right, click on this and the millimeter is okay. Then let's check it here. See, it's going. Let's wait for it to go. Can you see it's going? Okay, it has gone, so it's saved. Is that okay? So thank you very much. This is how to go about this GA. So we can now see how this one can be done. We can now proceed when we get to Protastructure. Is that okay? With this one now, it has guided us where we are seeing that column and what interfering. Is that okay? So what are we going to be doing? What are we going to do rather when we get to Protastructure? All of them. Please follow this video from beginning to the end. I bet you if you follow this video from beginning to the end, you are going to learn a lot. Automatically it tells us that this structure is not what? It's not typical to some extent. Is that okay? So that is it. Thank you very much. Once again I want to say, if this is your first time, try to click on what? Like button and subscribe. But if you are already a subscriber, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Is that okay? So thank you very much. So that as you give this video a thumbs up, it will make the YouTube to make this video viral for others to also learn from this video. So thank you very much. God bless you. Till I see you in part 2 of this video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.